Okay, so this is after the game. Titans won, which we're very happy about. But I just want to show you here. So this is the wheelchair seating at Wanderers, which is very nice. So they've got normal seats and then marked 2 open bays with a number. So if you buy a ticket, you will get a number. That's 15 and 14. And then you have this side 11, 10, and then 9, 8, and then 7 and 6 is wheelchair, and then there's another 2 wheelchair this side. So you're looking at block G, row A, and then your seating is 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15, 18 and 19. I don't know if these are the only ones, but these are the only ones that I've seen. But you have on the opposite side of me, on that side, is platforms. I mean, that can easily be used as wheelchair stands as well, if you ask, I don't know. But these stands you can buy tickets on Ticket Pro or whoever, or you can contact the stadium themselves. There's a ramp here that goes down, and then in the tunnel there, the disabled bathrooms is there. Yeah, okay, but now it's getting a little bit loud here. But thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy.